Welcome back to Cooking with Your Agent. Eric Hatch here with Century 21. I am so stoked to be able to bring this absolutely stunning, most gorgeous home on Round Valley Estates here in Grass Valley. They have over several $100,000 worth of landscaping and hold massive parties and weddings here. And so today we're going to be the privilege of cooking in their kitchen and showing you what this beautiful home has to offer about what it feels like of living and cooking in this kitchen. And today we are going to be making this. Okay, enjoy that, you guys. This right here is a strawberry honey custard tart with lemon curd. And so we're super excited about that. And you can see this right here that we made this yummy stuff that we're gonna drizzle right on top. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's get into the filling here. You wanna grab a whole milk yogurt is what you want on that. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that and we're gonna put that in. We're gonna start mixing this together. And you want to grab your tablespoon of honey. Now our honey that we really like, shout out to our friends at Cool Bees here that are local. So we're going to throw down the honey here. And those right there. We're going to get our eggs. And I already pre-measured our sugar. So we're going to grab that sugar there. And we've got of course, this is our Mexico vanilla from our family that actually, those who've been watching it, that we've got this special Mexican vanilla. I'm actually gonna put a couple of these because I really like the extra flavor of that, but it's very, very pretty. And we're gonna go ahead and start whisking this up, and we've got our strawberries right there as well.
I didn't want to put it on 375 for 45 minutes.
All right, you want to get this nice and whisk really nice, get everything kind of blended in there, which is great. Now, keep in mind that you want to have your pie crust needs to be cooled, so you want that cooled. And when we get all this done, we're going to be baking this at 375 for 45 minutes. So you put your strawberries in, make sure you get every single one. Shout out to the strawberry patch that is right off of Highway 49, so get some nice, bright, beautiful strawberries, spread them all around in there. Then you're just going to take your filler here, and we're gonna just pour this right over the top. Get it all in there. And I find that it kind of takes a little bit more of a spreading all the way around. Just kind of get that so you see a little bit. You don't want the, you want to see some of the strawberries, obviously, because when it bakes in, like you saw, the finished product is really beautiful. Gonna lay that one flat there. Push some of that filler there. And so we've got that. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven and enjoy. All right, let's take this outside to this beautiful patio out here. And we're gonna eat our lovely dessert with Shannon and I. But check this out. Absolutely spectacular. Of course, Shannon's gonna want to eat it in the sun because that's where, if you ever see her license plate, it's Sun Girl. But you guys can see how beautiful this is. And go ahead and I'll let Shannon eat this little bite right there and enjoy. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful setting. If you'd like to see this home or any other home, feel free to reach out, subscribe to my channel, and if you want any other additional recipe or feel that there's something that you want to learn how to make, let myself know, I'll let Shannon know, she'll put it together, and then we'll bake it. All right, take care. Did I do okay, Shannon? Okay, that's all I'm
Don't
saying.
pour it out. You're real close to pouring that out there.
All right, the kitchen crew's coming in. Kitchen crew. Thank you guys so much for